I was sitting on my porch, just a loud explosion. It shook the house. I looked, I saw a smoke cloud like every bit of like 50 feet in the air. And honestly, like, I just took off running. I didn't even think, I didn't even have shoes on. And I just took off. I got to the alley and like it was a live wire down. There was debris all over. Jump over debris, avoid the wire because it was still live. And a couple other people from the neighborhood, 4 other guys and a young lady, and we just went in there. We started trying to get people to call out to figure out where they were at. No police, no fire department they weren't there yet.
Yeah.
So we just started trying to, dig in and move stuff, knock on windows, anything we could do to try to, find these people. We, at the last minute, we heard the older lady and she said, help. She kept saying help. And we just went into action. And it's just, it's sad, man. It's sad because I know some people, I'm thinking someone that didn't even make it, man. Try to do everything I could do. Not a hero, nothing like that, just a human being, like just trying to help someone else. Hoping that if it was me, that somebody would do it for me.
Okay, great.